Welcome back to our channel where we explore the latest trends and opportunities in the world of technology. Today we are diving into the exciting realm of artificial intelligence where AI tools have become the new gold rush. It's incredible to see how even 16-year-olds are harnessing the power of AI to build cash printing machines. If you are ready to unlock the secrets of AI and make some serious money in 2023, then you are in the right place. In this video, we'll be sharing 7 unique ways to make a bank using AI. So let's jump right into it. Number 1. Build an AI SaaS startup. This is currently the most profitable way to make money with AI. With low startup cost, high margins and huge exit potential, building an AI software as a service startup is an excellent opportunity for anyone willing to learn a few coding languages. And the possibilities are endless. Number 2. Create customer support AI bots. Companies are always in need of efficient customer support, but scaling it can be challenging. Enter AI-powered customer support bots. Train applications like Simple Phones, Resolve AI, or Core AI to answer customer questions. Businesses will be willing to pay big bucks if they can automate a significant portion of their customer support processes. Number 3. Create websites with AI. In today's digital world, every business needs a website. However, building one can be expensive and time-consuming. That's where AI tools come in. There are plenty of AI-powered platforms that allow you to create editable websites from text without writing a single line of code. Just find clients who read websites and let AI do the heavy lifting. Number 4. Short-form video agency. With the rise of platforms like TikTok, short-form videos have become incredibly popular. You can capitalize on these trends by offering your services to turn podcasts or long-form videos into viral shorts, reels, or TikToks. You don't even need advanced editing skills. Tools like Content Price, Picture AI, and CapCut can help you create engaging short-form videos effortlessly. Number 5. Design made easy. You no longer need to be a professional designer to create stunning visuals. Text-to-image software allows you to generate social media posts, original stock pictures, and converting ad creatives just by typing on your keyboard. Refine your prompts based on client feedback and you will be creating high-quality design in no time. Number 6. Write SEO articles. Content creation is always in demand, and with AI, you can produce articles at lightning speed. Platforms like ChatGPT enables you to write entire articles in minutes. Pair that with tools like Quillbot to make them undetectable by AI detectors, and you have got winning combination. Secure retainers contract with businesses for weekly articles and watch your AI business flourish. Number 7. Write SMS campaigns. SMS campaigns are an effective way for e-commerce brands to increase customer lifetime value. You can leverage AI to generate converting SMS copy by inputting campaign and product details. Brands are willing to pay handsomely for these campaigns. So take advantage of this opportunity and start earning big. That wraps up our list of 7 unique ways to make banking 2023. Whether you are interested in starting an AI SaaS startup providing customer support solutions, website creations, short-form videos, design, SEO articles, or SMS campaigns, there's an opportunity for everyone to succeed in the AI industry. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting tech updates. If you have any questions or want to share your thoughts, please leave them in the comments below. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the possibilities of AI.